Hi, John. So currently there are many misunderstandings about the Canada immigration programs, such as startup visa and skilled worker. It has been reported that many immigrants are not working in the same job as they were promised by the local immigration agents. So what's your point of view of that situation?
This is more about skilled worker in case of people who are selling job in Canada. And this is definitely a problem because, first of all, the law in Canada is very clear that if a skilled worker get a job offer in Canada, he should not pay any fees for that. The person who will employ him should pay the lawyer and should pay all the government fees to hire this person. You understand? And this should be a job offer. So that's the first rules to follow. The second part is that it doesn't make sense for people to end up in a different job than what they signed for. So therefore, all I can think is that the way they are brought to Canada is not, it's not the correct way. And a job offer to go to Canada is a specific job offer. It's not like you are invited to come to work to Canada at any job. So this is a big problem indeed, and this is close to be fraudulent.
Totally agree. So what kind of job that can bring us the PR and how long to get it?
Well, job-wise, as you know, there's a lot of demand in Canada, especially for trades right now. Of course, professionals are always welcome if their license can be recognized, and bankers and scientific and every possible job will lend you a PR in Canada after you work for at least 2 years in Canada. But right now, what is very popular in Canada, we have over 250,000 jobs that are not occupied, and many of them are in the trade business, which I mean plumbers and carpenter and electrician. And those are vital to the economy. Without the trade people, the economy cannot go on.
Okay, so what if an application already submitted by using the under the job offer and they stuck in those situations? So what is your advice?
My advice is if they are in Canada or outside Canada, this is to seek the service of a Canadian lawyer, of course. I would prefer to say us, but you don't have to choose us. But seek a Canadian lawyer who will tell you first, he will tell you the truth, or she will tell you the truth about the law, about the regulation. We will look at the situation to see how can be resolved, and we will contact Canada Immigration if needed. There's always a solution, but every case is different. And again, this is another problem. A lot of unprofessional people in Vietnam are applying the same recipe to everybody, the same general idea, which is totally wrong. Each case is different, so you have to apply the right solution for the people.
Okay, so then I assume that the client can still apply for another programs for Canada, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, sometimes yes. For example, somebody gets stuck in a fraudulent job offer. Well, we strongly suggest to them to withdraw from that. Because, at one point, Canada Immigration will find out that there was a fake job offer or a job offer that was not according to the regulation. And if that happened, this person will be banned for 5 years to apply for Canada, if not more. So again, it's a case-by-case matter, but we need to look at it step by step and see what's the best solution.
So, well, there's many challenges and difficulty for those who try to find a way to settle down in Canada. So what is your advice to get there, like increase their chance of success for the very new step of the application?
Is to look at the person, their profile, and see what is best for them. In Vietnam, you have so many business people that they could be better off signing under the starter visa. Or you have a lot of trade people, too, very well-educated trade people, that will maybe suggest them to get another diploma in Canada, and will help them to get that, a diploma where they can work and study at the same time. And so this way, it's not only they will learn their own trade under Canadian standards, but they will get paid at the same time. But the real fundamental for this truth is all about step by step. To take your time. People rush sometimes too much, right? They want to be in Canada tomorrow morning. But the truth is that Canada immigration is not a fast process. It's not something that happened in 30 days or 60 days, despite what we can read on the internet. It has to be done properly. And again, it's a step-by-step matter.
Okay, John, so there's many applicants they confuse between the both programs like startup visa and also the skilled worker. So what is your
First advice is people should do their own research first.
Okay.
To read carefully about what is available to them. You know, you have work permit, you have skilled worker for permanent residence, you have a co-op program, you have startup visa, you even have sponsorship too. You know, so this all depends of the person profile. So the first step, they should do their own research. And the best way to do the research is to go directly on the Canada immigration website, which is very clear. So the second step is once you understand what may or may not apply to you, is to seek professional advice. Can I say? I mean, of course, I would tell people, please ask a Canadian law firm to tell you about Canadian law. Immigration is all about law and regulation. You know, you don't ask a plumber to fix your car, right?
Yeah.
You don't ask a carpenter to fix your bathroom. Or the pipe or the blocked pipe. So why I still do not understand why people keep asking consultants, local consultants that are not lawyers, that have no liability, that have no insurance, that can do whatever they want and just walk away. You know, a law firm cannot walk away. We are here, you know, we're recognized by the Vietnamese government. We've been here for so many years too. So sorry, but I always get a bit passionate about when people get losing so much money paying consultant who doesn't have an idea of what they are doing. Second, then seek again professional advice, seek advice from a Canadian lawyer, and we will tell you what is applying to you or not.